When I first saw this Maine home, I thought this is exactly what country living with comfort should feel like. Set on 10 wooded acres, just a mile from China Lake, this property gives you the peace and quiet you've been searching for, while still keeping you close to town. Out back, there's even a small pond where you can sit and watch the reflections on the water. It feels like your own private getaway right in your backyard. The home itself was built in 2005, and it has that warm, contemporary style with an open floor plan. Step inside, and you're welcomed by soaring cathedral ceilings, a cozy fireplace perfect for Maine winters, and a spacious loft that adds charm and extra living space. With 2 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, this home is designed for both everyday comfort and easy hosting. One of my favorite parts is the detached garage, built in 2019. It's oversized, giving you plenty of room for vehicles, outdoor gear, or even a full workshop if you love projects and hobbies. Downstairs, the walkout basement is fully finished, adding even more room for living, relaxing, or storage. It's flexible. You could turn it into a family room, a game room, or even a guest space. And the setting here is truly special. You're tucked away in the trees with wildlife all around, yet just minutes from shops, dining, and daily conveniences. It's the best of both worlds, private country living without feeling cut off. So whether you're looking for a year-round home, a seasonal escape, or just a place to slow down and breathe, this property has everything you need to live the Maine lifestyle.